This recipe is the most delicious jjajangmyeon recipe in the world. But if don't follow the exact cooking method and ingredient, the result can be different. I hope you can follow correctly. Good luck! For this recipe, you only need 2 tablespoons of fried chunjang. However, I'm gonna show you how to fry it cause it's hard to find the fried chunjang outside of Korea. Water in, sugar in, chunjang in, cook for 2 minutes. Cooking oil in, cook another 3 minutes. Cool it down and store it. This can be stored in the fridge for 6 months. Cook your noodle and rinse it. Keep it on the side. Garlic, spring onion, cucumber, pork. Heat up the pan and cooking oil in. Chopped garlic in. Spring onion in. Cook it few seconds. Pork in. Cook until your pork is done. Onion in. Cook for a minute. Soy sauce in. Cooking oil in. Cook it for seconds. Turn off your heat and chunjang in. Sugar in. White MSG in. Corn syrup in and mix well. For the plating, noodles in. Pour the sauce. Cucumber for the garnish. Finally, the perfect jjajangmyeon is ready. In case I don't see you, good afternoon, good evening, and good night.